What's going on, guys? We're about to drop another banger for you. Actually, 4 big bangers on our brand new Nissan Xterra roof light panel mount. So the purpose of our roof light panel mount is to replace the plastic fairing that's on your Nissan Xterra roof rack. So if your Xterra came with one of the factory roof racks, you either have this flat panel that's made out of plastic, or for the Pro 4X or the off-road trims, you have some boob lights. If your upgraded lights on your Xterra aren't giving you the output that you need, now introducing the Z1 Off-Road roof light panel mount for the Infiniti Nissan Xterra. The construction of the roof light panel mount is a solid steel frame. That's gonna allow you most rigidity for when you're running big lights like these Morimoto big bangers. When you're bombing down the trails, your lights aren't gonna be bouncing up and down, moving all over the place. This is all gonna be 2-stage powder coated for that ultimate durability and corrosion resistance. You can run 4 of these Morimoto big bangers, or something like a Baja Design LP6. We can run up to 6 of the Squadron Pros. So if you remove this panel mount, you can run a Baja Design S8 30-inch light bar in its place. However, you don't have the provisions to add any additional lighting opposed to that 30-inch light bar. So you'll now have the option to run any configuration of lights to best fit your suited needs. Whether you're rock crawling or bombing down the desert, you're gonna have the ability to keep that light thrown out in front of you and turn that night into day. So if your factory lights aren't giving you the output that you need and you're looking to be able to run a lot more performance on the top of your roof rack, shop now at Z1 Off-Road and pick up one of our brand new Nissan Xterra roof light mount panels today.